Hi everyone, my name is Pradol and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another outfit from scratch video, but this time the outfit from scratch is going to be very different because usually मैं Indian outfits के लिए outfit from scratch बनाती हूँ and usually मैं एक ही outfit बनाती हूँ, but इस बार I'm gonna be making a lot of outfits for my entire trip. So basically, if you don't already know, I went to Bali for my bachelorette and I really wanted to be able to wear very colorful, tropical, rainbow colored dresses, flowy dresses, but I did not want to spend a bomb on shopping all of those outfits and finding all of those outfits. So I decided कि since solid colored dresses ही मुझे बनाने हैं, why don't I just get them stitched? So today I'm gonna be showing you guys a week worth of outfits, 6 to 7 outfits मैंने बनवाए हैं and all of them are under rupees 1200 per dress, right from the kapda to the stitching. So if you guys are interested, let's get started with today's video. So step 1 obviously is to create kind of like a mood board, figure out what you really want. I did exactly that. Pinterest पे आधा एक घंटा बैठ के मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें add कर दी to my board just to understand what I'm looking for, what kind of colors, what kind of fabrics, the flow, the silhouette, all of that. Once that was done, I went to Tirumala. So basically there are lots of different areas all over Mumbai जहाँ पे you can buy kapda from. I usually go to the Tirumala area and there's this one shop which is called Ellie Perry जहाँ से मैं कपड़ा buy करती हूँ. But इस बार मैं consciously वो shop में मैंने decide किया था मैं नहीं जाऊँगी because number one मुझे cheaper outfit from scratch बनाना था and Ellie Perry is slightly more expensive also because their quality is also a little bit more premium. But since I had a budget in mind, I decided to go to a separate shop. Hi guys, we are back. But this time around, we have decided not to go to Ellie Perry because Ellie Perry is good for prints and stuff like that. हमें सिर्फ solid colors चाहिए. So we're gonna go inside. There are so many shops inside. We're gonna compare the price of satin and crepe. जहाँ पे भी सबसे सस्ता मिलेगा, that is where we're gonna go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, so ये शॉप में हम जा रहे हैं. शॉप नंबर 22 है यहाँ पे. Let's go. So after comparing everything, this is the shop that we're going in. L18 करके literally Ellie Perry के बाजू में है. Not feeling it. क्या लग रहा है? Do you like it? Yes, no, maybe. No?
No.
I think अच्छा लग रहा है.
Barbie doll vibes are.
Barbie doll pink है. It's quite close to our reference. And somehow I don't hate it. Think different. What do you think?
Yeah, I love
It's
it.
dulling me out, but little. Do you see what I'm saying? थोड़ा सा, but काफी English color है.
अच्छा लग रहा है.
ठीक है, ये लेते हैं. ये अपने सोफे का कलर है. ऐसा लगे मैंने सोफा पहन लिया अपना. I like the color personally, but I feel like we can do better. Should we do like a nude? So ये सारे crepe जो है वो है 35 rupees per meter. And then these two satin are for 70 rupees per meter. These are going to be the nighttime outfits and then these are the day. And we're done. That's the total. Not bad at all. This is literally kind of 200 rupees per outfit.
Back here guys. Ritual हो गया सच में अभी.
Tradition continues. But इस बार हम चुल करके पानी पूरी खा रहे हैं. हम लंच का डब्बा बाय द बैग में लेके आए in case we get hungry, but we're gonna have pani puri. Cheers. We've decided not to eat too much, so we're just finishing it off with sukha puri. And that's it for our outfit from scratch day.
So once I had gotten all of my cloth, by the way, मुझे सिर्फ 1400-ish rupees पड़े. तभी मेरे दिमाग में था कि मैं 7 outfits बनाऊंगी. In the end मैंने 6 ही outfit बनवाए. But that's not bad at all. Very very cheap. उसके बाद I sent everything across to my tailor auntie and I had also of course sent her reference images of what I wanted and she has my measurement, so I don't really have to go every single time if I want to get an outfit stitched. Time for the reveal. Now you guys might have already seen me on Instagram या फिर reels में मैंने जो outfits पहने थे 90% of the outfits वो सारे outfits from scratch थे. मुझे सब पूछ रहे थे कि where is your outfit from? I just wanted to save it for this video so that you guys can see for yourselves. And overall I am very happy with the outfits that have come out of it because number one बहुत ही सस्ते में मुझे पड़ गया. Number two मुझे जो exact customization चाहिए था in terms of colors. I feel like the colors that I've chosen are very unique and also very like fun, and I could obviously very much customize कि मेरे skin tone पे कैसा लग रहा है कोई color. So I am very very happy with this. So in case you guys are going on a trip, you don't want to spend too much money but you still want to really curate your outfits, I feel like this is something that you can do, especially अगर आपको solid outfits बनाने, like solid कपड़े के outfits बनाने, 35-40 rupees per meter कपड़ा पड़ेगा और overall आपको बहुत सस्ता पड़ेगा. Okay, let's start with my outfit number 1. On camera it looks very neon for some reason, but it's like a proper magenta pink. Used to always run away from such colors, but turns out these look really nice on Indian deeper skin tones. So मुझे एकदम ही flowy maxi dress पहनना था for the most part, honestly, on all days. Let me actually show you the reference that I had sent across, and I feel like bang on मेरा आउटफिट एकदम वैसे ही बनाया है. Now what I love about this outfit in particular are the bow type things जो आगे निकलते. So with this you can do a crisscross like how I had done for the most part, but you can also do like a one shoulder moment, or you can make it completely like a tube dress. The possibilities honestly are endless, which I realized later once I wore it on. So I'm really excited to get a lot of use out of this dress because number one, it's so comfortable. It's very stylish. I love the color. So happy with this one. I think day 2 पे मैंने ये वाला outfit पहना था. I think if I have to pick a favorite, it would have to be this one because this is a kind of color that I don't really wear. Now this is kind of like a pista green, sage green in between that. Again, it's looking a little neon on camera, but I loved the color on me. It made me look even more tan, which I really liked. I loved the way like the cut was and everything. Again, my reference picture on the screen छोड़ दूंगी so that you can see for yourself what I had imagined and what it turned out to be, which was perfect. ये भी dress, I can just imagine styling this in so many different ways. At this point, I'm gonna sound like a broken record, but I love how this one has turned out. ये वाला next outfit is a little bit different. So अभी तक जो first दो outfits मैंने दिखाए थे वो एकदम flowy थे. ये वाला एकदम bodycon था, which as you guys know is a little bit of my vibe. I do really enjoy bodycon dresses. Not so much of late because I have gained weight, but I was like, you know what? I don't care. Let's just make at least one bodycon ड्रेस. तो मैंने एकदम 2-piece आउटफिट बनाया था. मुझे एक इंस्पो पिक्चर मिला था. आई थिंक इट वॉज ऑफ सेजल कुमार, ऑफ हर वेयरिंग लाइक अ पेंसिल स्कर्ट एंड अ टैंक टॉप, एंड आई वाज लाइक दिस वुड लुक सो नाइस इवन इन अ सॉलिड कलर, एंड दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई गॉट स्टिच्ड. द वे दिस फिट्स मी एंड द वे द स्लीव्स लुक, आई फील लाइक इट्स स्टिच्ड so beautifully. It snatches me perfectly. Again, there are so many different ways of styling this down, styling this up. Of course, I did end up going and wearing this on the beach, but I feel like even for like an event, like a social media event, I could totally wear this. Okay, so we're done with like pinks, magentas, greens, blues. Let's do some purples. I love this shade of purple. It's like a proper eggplant emoji color. Unfortunately, मुझे ये वाला outfit पहनने नहीं मिला because दिन कम पड़ गए, outfits ज़्यादा हो गए. But I still managed to wear this and get a few pictures out of it. बहुत ही ज़्यादा hot dress है ये. और actually मैं ना थोड़ा सा confuse हो गई थी कि इसको कैसे पहनना है, तो मैंने कुछ तो randomly tie up कर दिया. But I feel like it looked so pretty. I feel like with the tie up situation, there are so many different ways you can wear one dress, which is great, right? Again, another flowy number. So the last two outfits that I have were specifically made with nighttime being in mind, like nighttime related मुझे outfits बनाने थे दो. So I decided to pick colors also according to the nighttime. All of the colors that I showed you so far were very daytime. For the nighttime, the first dress that I got made was a black dress. I feel like एक black dress बनना जरूरी था, but मैं सेक्सी वाइब के लिए नहीं गई, मैं एकदम फ्लोई वाइब के लिए गई because I was like, I'm in Bali. I can wear tight bodycon dresses all the time in Mumbai. Let me wear something a little bit more like grand and flowy. So in satin, I got a tube dress made, which gives you like a very Barbie doll vibes, but it has a very sexy slit that goes all the way up. And बहुत fun dress है. I really like it. It's not my style at all, but I really enjoyed wearing it. The last and final dress is this chocolate chocolate brown dress जो मैंने night point of view से सिलवाया था, but I ended up wearing during the day. I feel like that's the thing with browns and like beiges. You can wear it at night. You can really make it sexy, but you can also wear it during the day. Again, this was like a very maxi piece number, but this had a very sexy back. Sexy back मतलब full backless ही था ये. One shoulder backless slit, बहुत hot था ये dress. And the thing with these kinds of dresses is that they're so comfortable. They look great, but you can just like be. And I think with that we've come to the end of today's video. Those were all of my outfits that I wore in Bali, and all of them were outfit from scratch. जो भी dress आपको अच्छा लगा है, according to that, make sure to leave the emoji in the comments down below to let me know which was your favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm so glad that I did this because the outfits that have come out of this video I love, and might I add, I feel like this might have been one of my most favorite outfit from scratch outfits that I've ever made, because I feel like I can wear these outfits over and over again. Indian outfits के लिए obviously occasion चाहिए रहता है वो heavy outfits पहनने के लिए, ये वाले मैं बहुत ज़्यादा repeat कर सकती हूँ. So that's it. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my second channel as well, and follow me on my Instagram. Follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.